puppy. Good doggy. Hold that. Hold that, doggy. Hold that stance. Good job. Good job. Good puppy. Oh, let's take a break.
Secret Agent Christina Dasher, please state your secret phrase.
The snow on the rooftop is melting. Oh my gosh, hi, how are you guys doing? How is Santa? Is everything okay?
There is an emergency in the North Pole.
Santa has been in a sleigh accident and we need you to save Christmas.
What? What do you mean? How could I possibly save Christmas?
You are to deliver presents to all the nice boys and girls in the world.
Are you crazy? I'm only a North Pole top secret agent. I can barely make it as a human. What makes you think I can pass off as Santa?
Santa's orders, Agent Dasher. It's Christmas Eve. Please hurry. Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Oh, and remember, there are only 2 rules.
Don't get caught.
Don't fall for any silly cookie traps.
This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. 4,
What?
3,
This is my own
2,
phone!
1.
Think jolly thoughts. Big jolly Santa. You gotta be kidding me. Where am I gonna fit this? Mm-mm. Ho, ho, ho. 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 Whoa, check me out. I'm Santa. So that's what a sleigh ride feels like. You guys wait for me there. Come on. There's no way I am going down that thing.